This is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. If you are new on my channel, let me inform you this channel is for providing videos regarding English learning. I hope today's video is definitely going to help you to take you little further on the road of your learning. Okay, to be very honest, today I don't have a topic to disclose about. There is no specific topic, there is no script. Whatever will be come in my mind, naturally I will speak out. You can do one thing, you can take this video as a reminder for you. Okay, so I am here to make you recognize how your learning going on. How is your learning going on? Are you really trying a lot to learn this language, or have you lost your motivation towards learning this language? Then don't worry. Through this video again, I will make you realize how important this language for you. Okay, you know, I believe on consistency. You know, if you are doing a thing on a continuous basis, on a regular basis, definitely one day you are going to get a positive result. There would be consequences. There is very simple rule. If you are doing good, you will get good. If you are doing bad, so this will create bad impact on your future, right? So in the same way, if you are really doing hard to learn this language, maybe you are not getting positive result today, but definitely I'm telling you, certainly in a specific day result will, you will get a result, right? So as I have told you that to start learning this language, you have to measure your capability. Okay, if you are good at if you have understanding level about this language, then you can start from reading, you can watch English videos, then you can start speaking to yourself. So these are all basic methods that everyone knows, right? But listen, I can only tell you what you should do. I can only give you information. I can only share my idea. But the final step, final decision should be taken by you. You have to take it. Right now, I cannot come to you. I cannot give a medicine that take it and you will learn this language. No, this cannot be possible. You have to take it. You have to be continuous with your learning, right? This language is really very important, very important. Like if you are in your academic, if you are pursuing your graduation, if you are looking for a job, then definitely somewhere you have to be good enough on this language, in this language. Okay, I am, still I don't have this courage to consider myself that I have learned this language completely, I became advanced in this language. No, I still consider myself as a learner. And I think this considering yourself still as a learner, has a positive vibes. The more you will consider yourself as a student, you would have opportunity to learn more. Okay, I never said that I have complete my learning. No, still there is long way to go. Still there is many more things that I'm not aware. Okay, I'm not aware. So I just want to tell you that never stop your learning. Today you are not able to speak. Today you are not able to recognize a word, today you are not able to make a particular sentence. So what? So what? Tomorrow, or maybe in the future, you will become able. You will have this capability to speak much more fluently than today you are. If you really want to measure your performance, if you really want to measure your capability, your efficiency, then you have to do something, isn't it? I have been making videos regarding English learning. I have been motivating you, but I really don't know how much it is reaching to you, how much I become able to motivate you, to put thought in your mind. But if you are even a little bit motivated by watching my videos, it will be a great thing for me. Okay, so this was all about today's video, guys. This was a small message that I wanted to share. I hope this unscripted video is really going to help you, is really going to touch your heart. Okay, you know, honestly, I had nothing to say. I had nothing to share. I just feel like sharing a positive message. I just, I felt like sharing a positive message with you. I felt like telling you something that can motivate you, that can push you to go ahead. Okay, so this was the objective of today's video. Okay, very soon I will come back to you. Take care. Bye.